like your attempt. I can see there is a difference. I can see what you have captured. Observe more carefully. What is it called? Aperture. Shutter speed, ISO. Because it is not visible. See? So, it cannot be mid-shot.
Strong point is all of you know, या तो हिंदी या तो मराठी.
So the first sound is going to be, don't make it too visible. Here it is more advanced.
फोटोग्राफी एंड फिल्म मेकिंग का वर्कशॉप हो रहा है। हम लोग को बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला है, स्ट्रेस हैंडलिंग वगैरह भी, जो कि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है। और उसके बाद में अभी शूटिंग भी हुआ, देन एडिटिंग, अभी सब लोग रेडी है हमारे अपने मूवीज के साथ। तो यस, वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ।
If you have any doubt, you know how they have done it, you can ask. Now onwards, I'm going to call you Nalanda filmmakers. Okay. You know, some of you from 50% scoring to 70% scoring. It is not usually possible. It shows two things. If you determine and work together, you can do magic. I know I can see a lot of filmmakers, directors, editors, sound engineers, script writers in this group. It starts with the attitude. You don't feel shy. You go out, you record, you shoot. You all work together, because writing a script on day 1 and screening it on day 3, it is a very, very, very big thing. Now you know the basics. Keep on doing. In 1 year, I can confidently say you can make a film that can go for film festivals. It can even win awards. Remember the one thing, many people out there in cinema industry who don't know the world that you have experienced. Now you have the tool. You know what is my success here? You know the language now. You can start speaking that language. Use that well. It's a very powerful tool. If you use it well, you can lift a community altogether. Don't stop here. This is the starting point. In 5 days of learning ABCD, you have done an essay and poem well. I was very, very happy because the way you have framed, most of your frames are very good, excellent. What are the most of the things that we face today? The audio. But did we have a separate session for audio? We haven't touched it. So imagine another session we have, and then you have a 2 days to work on audio. Again, it will be cleaned. Whenever you get time, think of a small concept, write it, shoot it, or you see something that nobody is noticing, record it, document it. So that's all. Thank you so much.
So thank you first of all, है ना. I want to say कि ये film making, it's all credit to all. So it's all thanks to 25 of you and to Aloy. I have learnt a lot in this process. It is amazing to see your dedication. You are a very, very dedicated group of people. एक बार जो आपने ठान ली कि ये movie ख़त्म करनी है, तो आपने वो movie ख़त्म की. Whether that required shooting at 7 in the morning or being here till late in the night editing, whatever it required of you, you put that in and you finished the film, right? Which itself is a very big deal. So first of all, congratulations on that, and thank you for teaching us what dedication means. The second thing is that from all of you, there is this beautiful sense of hard work, sincerity, and also enthusiasm that you have shown. And now because you were enthusiastic from day one, you were sitting, you were listening, you were absorbing, you were taking notes. So you have put together all your energies, right? Put together all your senses in order to be able to make these 6 days successful. So honestly, all the hard work is yours and all the credit goes to you. Thank you.